Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve a V-taper body. This highly sought-after physique is characterized by broad shoulders and a narrow waist, creating a powerful and aesthetically pleasing silhouette. We'll focus on simple, effective strategies to widen your upper body and cinch your midsection. By following these straightforward methods, you can sculpt a more defined and impressive V-taper, enhancing your overall body shape with consistent effort and smart training choices. To build significant upper body width, focus on exercises that expand your shoulders and lats. For a broader back, incorporate pull-ups and lat pull-downs into your routine, aiming for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. To enhance shoulder width, overhead presses and lateral raises are crucial. These movements will help create that desirable wide-shouldered look, contributing significantly to your V-taper silhouette and making your upper body appear much more imposing. Achieving a narrow waist is essential for the V-taper. This primarily involves reducing overall body fat through a balanced, calorie-controlled diet. Focus on lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Incorporate core exercises like planks and leg raises to strengthen your abdominal muscles without adding bulk. Avoid heavy oblique training, which can inadvertently widen your midsection. A daily protein intake of 1 gram per pound of body weight supports muscle retention during fat loss. Consistency in both your training and nutrition is the ultimate key to achieving and maintaining a V-taper. Stick to your workout schedule and make healthy eating a sustainable lifestyle. Ensure you are consuming enough protein to support muscle growth and repair, roughly 1 gram per pound of body weight. Remember to stay well hydrated by drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, and allow your body ample rest for optimal recovery and progress. Patience and persistence will yield the best results.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.